Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your love forecast for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, air signs. Yes, friends, if you are an air sign, this reading is for you. If you know an air sign, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, make sure to subscribe, like, and share our channel Magic Vents Tarot. Subscribe, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot, and make sure to subscribe our channel so you can win a free reading. If you subscribe, like, and share, it is only available for those who subscribe. For our subscribers, let's see what's happening for you. How are you feeling, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? And then we'll see how your person is feeling. What's happening with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Wow, your cards are flying. Wow, King of Wands. Definitely someone is thinking about you, and the King of Swords. Wow, you are feeling very, very powerful. And definitely Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, someone is thinking about you. It could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person you are dealing with. It could be a divine, feminine, masculine, your twin flame you are dealing with. I also feel that it could be you could be dealing with an air sign yourself, like Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. What's going on? Ooh, the Queen of Pentacles. You could be dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I do feel there is a lot happening in your life currently, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. A lot of people are affecting your love life, or they are affecting your life in some way or the other. The High Priestess, I definitely feel you have to connect with your intuition, or you should connect with your intuition. This it, because it is necessary for you to listen to your intuition, especially regarding some connections in your life, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yes, it is very necessary to listen to your intuition and to take those decisions in your love life, because otherwise, if power struggles, I see power struggles. I see Four of Cups, disappointments. I see that you are not interested in love. You are focusing on your career, you are focusing on money, but I do see there is a potential love interest, but a lot of people are affecting your love life, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So use your intuition, be patient, don't rush. Take your time to listen to your intuition and act accordingly. For Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, how are they feeling? The Queen of Cups. Wow, all the people are coming here. You definitely have a lot of emotions right now, or someone is having a lot of emotions for you. So I do feel you have to be careful, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, because you have two choices. You can react emotionally, or you may react with a lot of anger, or with a lot of power struggles can happen with ego. So you have to listen to your intuition, and you need to avoid a little bit of people, go into yourself. I do see a lot of people are affecting your love life, so you have to be careful, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Let's see how your person is feeling, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. What is happening in their person's life? Nine of Wands, very defensive. Yeah, definitely power struggles. This could be your twin flame, or husband, wife, crush, lover, the devil. Yeah, this person is completely not listening to you. They are not open to your offers of love. They feel either obsessed with you, or they are obsessed with money, their own ego, their own. You see this Wands, this King of Wands, this Queen of Pentacles. This person is obsessed with their career, with their money, or with running away from you. They are obsessed about it, and they could be dealing with some health issues right now. So there is a lot of tug of war energy. This person is not open to you right now, and if you are trying, someone else may also be interfering in this connection. What's happening with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini's person? Okay. The Page of Pentacles, yeah, this person could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or they could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But I feel this person has an age gap, or they are behaving a little immaturely at the moment. They are focusing on money, 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 ego, ego, ego. So they are running away from you. I think if you want to push, if you keep pushing this person, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, fights will happen, arguments will happen. This person is also listening to other people, friends, and family. Things are getting very. You have to use your intuition. You cannot, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, do anything else right now. Be patient, be calm, use your intuition, focus on yourself. Uh, let's see what else is happening with your person. They are focusing on career, they are focusing on money, health issues. Also, maybe someone else is ill in their family, or maybe they themselves are. Six of Wands in reverse, yeah, this person is not taking action, they are resisting. I do feel they, even if they want to come towards you, they might not be so successful. Three of Cups, they want to be with you. They keep talking to their friends. See, there are so many people. Definitely, they are talking. Your person is talking to their friends and family about you. They miss the happy times with you, but they are unable to make a move towards you at the moment. In fact, they are running away from you. Three of Swords, this person isn't ready. There may also be some issues of third party. Maybe they are hurt, or maybe they are in some other relationship. Maybe, a family situation, like they are with listening to their parents, they are listening to their colleagues, their boss, or something like that, and it's become difficult for this person to be with you. Although they keep thinking about you, this person is obsessed. Your person is obsessed about you. Ace of Cups, this, they have love. They are running away from this love. It's not like they don't love you. It's like they love you a lot, and they don't know what to do with it, because they have other priorities at the moment. And it may feel stupid, because they want to offer this Ace of Cups, this friendship, this love, this care, this everything to you, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. But this person is, they just can't. I feel something else is stopping them. Maybe their family, maybe it is their money issues, maybe it is their health issues. Tower movement, yeah, they want to break free. This person wants to break free. They want to break free and come towards you, because they don't know how else they can fix it. I feel something will shift in this connection or in this person's life. What's happening with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini's person? The Chariot, they are going to make a move towards you, absolutely, and something will shift. Maybe they will have to travel, or they are forced to travel towards you, or something is going to shift and crumble. All these resistance, they are going to melt. If there is a third party, it is going to go away. If their family is stopping, their friends are stopping, it's going to go away. They are going to make a move. They will have to make a move towards you. They are being forced, because Tower is not something you decide by choice. It is something that comes like an earthquake. It shakes your life, and you are like, oh my god, what happened? So let's see what's their next move towards Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This person's next move. The Moon, they have a lot of emotions for you. This person is constantly all about love for you. They also feel a lot of emotions, and they don't know how to express it. It's something confusing also about their future move. Like, they are a little confused how they should propose, how they should explain what they are going. It's like things are hidden. What's their next move? This person's next move. Three of Wands, expansion. They want to expand things with you, and they want to expand things with you. Look at this. Three of Wands, that's their next move. They want to take things to the next level. They want to express their emotions. They want to tell you how deep their love is. Also, they could be traveling. Some of them are traveling, maybe towards you. It's a long distance, or they will contact you. Their next move. Nine of Swords, yeah, I do feel this person is They are very excited to make this new move towards you. They are very excited to message you. In fact, they want to message you right now. I don't know what is stopping this person. Maybe health issues. Maybe they are a bit upset, or health issues are stopping, anxiety, depression. Oh my god, that's a lot of cards. Let's take this one. I feel this is important. Two of Swords. Yeah, they are. I feel they wanna make a move towards you. They wanna call you right now, but they are in double minds, and also their emotions are so deep. They don't know what to do with it. Secondly, they want expansion. So, will they be able to come out of this confusion for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Ten of Wands. I think they need to end first things in their life. This all this I think they need to finish. They are carrying a lot of burdens. They need to put it down, and once they do, it will be okay. The World. Yeah, I do feel, when they start thinking like, yes, and Seven of Cups, yeah, I think this person is making things more difficult for themselves by not making an action, by keep thinking, thinking, thinking. So that's their problem. Once they just stop thinking and start taking action, things will shift for them. The confusion is not that. They don't want to be with you. The confusion is they just don't want to they can't act right now, and the minute they stop thinking and start acting, things will get better. The World. Let's clarify it. I think they need to step out of their comfort zone. The Two of Wands. They need to be mature. The minute they decide to step out of their comfort zone, this person is going to come towards you and propose love. Also, I feel if they don't on their own step out of their comfort zone, someone, universe, is going to do it for them. They will be pushed out of their comfort zone. So, what is this person's next move? Confront. Number 18. They have to confront their shadow, their fears. What is stopping them? There's a lot of love in this connection. But Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, this person keeps holding themselves back. What's their next move? They are finding the answers. They are seeking. They know that you are the one, but they don't know how to express that love. It's very strange, but it's happening right now for them. And what else? Let's see what will happen next. What will this person say to our viewers? Rebuild. They are trying to build and fix their life. They are trying to take, I think this person is going through a difficult time. So they are trying to rebuild their life and their connections, and their, family issues and all those things. So they are trying to tell you that they are working on fixing themselves. Don't give up. This is also the Tower again. They are going through some tough times. Don't be, you may feel why this. I think Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, you're fed up of this person. You have started to be like, we just hate them, or we just don't know what's wrong with them. If they love us, why can't they be with us? Why can't they at least say? Because they are going through very tough times. It's difficult for this person to come out of this tough situation. So they are trying to tell you that they are working. Stay patient. What else do they want to say to our viewers? This person. Rest and reconsider. They want you to take some rest. Don't get so fed up. Don't get so impatient with this connection. They need some time. They are trying. They are going through some difficulties. So be patient. Control. Yeah, see, again, it's the this person, they are trying to get out of things. They are trying. And they are trying to manifest you back. And they know this connection will get better. This connection eventually will get better. This is just, a matter of time. What else do they want to say to our viewers? Find balance. Two of Wands. You have to be the mature one in this connection, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I know it's not fun to be the mature person right now, especially when there is nothing from the other side, no contact, nothing. They haven't messaged you, they haven't told you their love, they haven't expressed anything. But you know what? It is there. They love you, and they are trying to manifest you. It is your light that's keeping this person happy right now. So what else? What is the advice for our viewers? Happy, happy. See, I think you're feeling very frustrated with this connection. Look at this, coming to the edge. You are like, oops, I'm done with it. I can't deal with it anymore. But I think this is not the time. If you want to, you can give up on them. But if you want to move on, it's okay. But don't be too harsh on this person. They are going through some troubles. Stay focused on your happiness. Happy, happy. The more happy you are, the happier or beautiful or more light comes into this person's life. I don't know, light or what you say. You're this person's guiding light. So if you are happy, they are happy. Advice for our viewers. Yeah, you need to be flexible. You can't be too strong, too judgmental, too happy, too loving. You have to stay flexible because things are not always going to remain like this. They will shift positively in this connection. So, any other advice for our viewers? Oh my God. Your cards are falling. It is a double tower movement. Look at that. The cards keep falling. Meditate and contemplate. New moon in Pisces. Yeah, you have a very strong telepathic connection with this person. This connection isn't going anywhere whether you talk or not. Their love is very strong for you. They love you, that's for sure. The more you meditate, the more you stay happy, the more this person also feels strong. Believe in the impossible, blue moon. Impossible things will happen. If you feel this is the end of this connection, no, I don't think so. Good things are coming, so get ready. Your dreams need a practical plan. I definitely feel this person will, you want some practical move from them, move from them. I think it will happen in the future. Right now, they are dealing with some very tough issues in their life, health issues, probably someone financial issues, some last one. Okay, it's I couldn't even ask. Release your ex. Maybe it is time for some of you to let go of the past judgments with this person. Also, maybe it is time for some of you to move on from this connection at the moment, or don't hate them, or don't be too angry about them, about the situation. Just let it go for the time being, because you know that this situation is calling you to have faith. You can't do much right now. I'm sorry this reading is like this, but it is what it is. I can't lie here. Magic Vans Tarot doesn't do that. In fact, it is a very positive reading. This person is trying to tell you that they are here with you. The universe is trying to tell you they are with you, and things will shift in the future. Right now, if they are not talking, the reason is they are going through some issues, some deep problems, and you should trust. The situation is calling you to have faith. So keep your faith strong. Don't give up. And focus on yourself and meditation. This is true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. Things will definitely get better. If you doubt this person ever loved you, they do. They definitely loved you. They still love you. They are going through some issues which will get better in the future, I feel. So that's it for now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. And this is Mystic C saying bye.